Hands here right in front of our chest. And then we're just going to go side to side, getting some nice gentle movement here just to warm up our body, liven us up a little bit, and wake us up. So nothing too crazy here. Back and forth. And relax. Good. All right, next one we're going to do is a reach to the ground. Hands are going to be in front of yourself. We're going to reach down as far as we can comfortably go. Hold for just a split second. And then we're going to reach up now towards the sky. Stretch your hands. Good. 5 of these total. Nice and fluid through the movement. Down, touch. All the way up. Big reach. Good. Down, touch. Up. Reach. Down. Reach. One more here, all the way down, as far as you can go today, all the way up, as far as you can comfortably reach. You're going to do a big stretch up towards the sky. Feel like your arms are getting pulled nice and high. Then we're going to actively reach towards one direction. Hold for a second. Other direction. Hold for a second. Back to the front. Hands down. You can shake out your arms a little bit. To warm up our legs a little bit, we're going to start with some alternating leg extensions here just to get our knees nice and warmed up for our drills in a second. Nice and easy here, just focusing on getting that leg as straight as you can, actively pulsing and pushing through that thigh to get a full muscle activation. Nice and careful. All right. Now we're going to move into some marches. So good posture position. Alternating marches just simply involves bringing each leg up nice and carefully. Something I don't always mention with this, but try your best to stay as upright as possible. If you lean back, you can get the knee a lot higher. So try your best to keep upright and come up as high as you can from that exact position. That'll make it a little bit tougher. Perfect. All right, very nice. Moving right along, we're going to do a march progression again, but we're going to add our arms. This one's a twisting punch with a march. So it's going to involve you bringing one leg up, and then with your opposite arm, you're going to punch across, come back down, other side, come back down, okay? Opposite arm, opposite leg here. Thinking about straightening that arm as much as you comfortably can through this position on both sides. So get a good twist through your core here. Try to hold that position at the top. Just a split second. Okay, in 5 seconds, we're going to hold on one of the sides. Go ahead and join me here. Hold. We're going to hold now for 10 seconds. Breathe and hold. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2. Other side. Rinse and repeat. Hold and breathe. Hold and breathe. Keep that position and relax. Good. Very nice, everyone. Okay. We're going to do a little bit of quickness work with our feet. This is going to involve you drawing out an imaginary triangle on the ground so you can kind of look down and visualize it. It's just going to be right in front of your feet. And we're going to do a triangle tap with both of our toes together all the way around, okay? So nice and slow at first. We're going to go for speed in just a second, but visualize your triangle, mark out those points with your toes, and in 3 seconds, we will begin. Ready, set, go. As quickly as you can now. Get that triangle all the way around. Go, 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 go. Tap those toes. And relax. Very nice. Take a breath. So whatever variation you did, I was going clockwise on that. We're going to reverse it and do the same thing counterclockwise. So mark out that triangle again. Start doing whatever variation. If you were doing clockwise, do counterclockwise. Again, slow to begin, just to get that movement pattern ingrained. And then we will go for speed right now. Go ahead and join me as fast as you can. Try to be precise with those markers all the way around and break. Very nice. Go ahead and breathe. Excellent job. What we're going to do next here is a core exercise, and it's going to involve you sitting towards the front of your chair. And this one's going to be a pretty demanding one. You'll like this. So what we're going to do is you're going to slowly lean back in the chair. You are going to have about, I would say, an inch or so from touching the back of the chair, okay? Then at that point, you're going to bring one foot straight leg. You can rest it on the ground. Other foot straight leg, rest on the ground. And then, this is going to be the fun part, you're going to raise one leg. Make sure when you're leaning back, you're still not touching the back of the chair, okay? And then if you have the strength, you could try bringing that other leg up. It's going to sit you back a little bit. We're going to hold for just a few seconds. Breathe and hold. Feel the muscles work. And relax. Very nice. Good push, everyone. I can see the grimace faces. I love the grimace faces. Good work, good work. Okay, so just a couple more moves, and then we'll move on to some other activities. This next move is going to be a strengthening drill. And what you're going to do is bring both legs together. You're then going to grab your hands underneath your legs, so you can either interlock your fingers or grab your wrist, whatever's more comfortable for you. And essentially you're going to sit up against that grab underneath your legs as hard as you can, okay? So it's almost as if you're locking yourself out and you're trying to get up, but you just can't get up. Hold yourself hard with those hands. Keep a nice tight grip. And then you might feel this in your lower back too, okay? Full body exercise. Ready, set, go. You're going to sit up as hard as you can. 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. And relax. Good. Very nice. Just for visualization purposes of that, if I was to let go, the amount of force you want it to almost have your hands be like flinging out to the side, just to consider what we're looking for, okay? Very nice. Okay, we're just going to do one more core drill here. Arms are going to be towards the side. You're going to take one hand and gently toss it up and over. This is our crescent moon pose, sometimes done in chair yoga classes. If you can't get your arm up and over very well, you can bring your hand down and simply just lean to the side. The further you lean, the tougher this is going to be. Keep on reaching. And in 3 seconds, I want you to try to reach just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2. Very nice. Other side, same thing. Get that hand up and over, ideally. But if you can't get it up and over, that's totally okay. Hanging nice and tight. Once again, in 3 seconds, let's go ahead and lean even further. Push yourself a little bit here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Beautiful. Very nice.